Want to automate your work, build tools, and save hours every week without touching code? In this video, I'll show you the top no-code tools for beginners in 2025 that make it super easy to get started with automation and app building. First, up Zapier. It's the go-to tool for beginners. You just pick a trigger, add an action, and boom, your automation is live. It connects with over 6,000 apps, and the pre-built templates make things even easier. You can do stuff like, when I get an email, save the attachment to Google Drive, send me a Slack message. If you're just starting out, this is the perfect way to dip your toes in. Next, Make. It's a more visual alternative to Zapier, where you build workflows using a drag-and-drop interface. You get more control and customization. Great if you want to do more than just basic tasks. You can connect tools like Notion, Airtable, Gmail, and even set conditions and filters. It has a bit of a learning curve, but it's powerful and often more affordable. Now, if you want to build your own web app without coding, check out SoftRit. It lets you turn Airtable or Google Sheets into full apps or internal tools using drag-and-drop blocks. You can create things like client portals, job boards, or dashboards in minutes. It's beginner-friendly and comes with lots of ready-made templates to speed things up. Want to build a mobile or web app from a Google Sheet? Glide makes. It's super easy. Just connect your spreadsheet, and it turns into a working app instantly. It's perfect for creating things like directories, internal trackers, or data collection forms. No code, no stress, just click, drag, and publish. And finally, there's Airtable. Think of it as a smart spreadsheet that acts like a database. You can manage projects, leads, clients, anything, and even set up automations inside it. Plus, it works great with other tools like Zapier, Make, SoftRit, and Glide. If you're organizing any kind of data, Airtable should be your base. So here's the recap. Zapier, best for easy workflows. Make, for visual, more advanced automations. SoftRit, build web apps from your data. Glide, turn spreadsheets into mobile apps. Airtable, store and automate all your info. Let me know in the comments, which one are you excited to try? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.